This video will show you how to create a Google site using your LISD Google account. Notice that I'm in Chrome. Chrome is the best browser to use with your Google Apps. If I'm a student, I would go to Student in Google Apps and sign in using my LISD username and password. I'm a staff member, so I'll come to Google Apps. I've already logged in, but when I did log in, I used my LISD username and password that I used to get onto my computer. This has brought me into my Google Drive. I want to create a site. I have that button on my toolbar. If you do not have that button on your toolbar, you can come to More and Even More and scroll down till you get to, oops, I went too far, Home and Office and Sites. This will let you create a Google site. I have several Google sites I've already created, and I have one that's been shared with me. So I will click on the Create button. I'm going to stay with the blank template. The gallery has mainly templates for different kinds of businesses. I need to give my Google site a name. Notice as I am typing in my name, Google is creating my web address. I need to select a theme. I think I'll go ahead and pick Treehouse. I'm ready to create. In order to build my website, I would need to use my edit tool, but before I do that, I want to decide who I can share this with. Right now, I can share it with people at LISD, and they can also edit it. I don't want them to be able to edit it. So I'm going to switch and say people at Louisville ISD with a link. And I'm going to change it to they can view it. So I can put it on School Web. I can share my link with anybody in the LISD domain, and they can see it, but they can't go in and edit it. So I'm going to click Save. Now there are a couple people I would like to share it with so that we can collaborate on this site. Mrs. Curtis is one of them, so I will start typing in her name. And as I do, a name can pop up that they have. These are different people in the LISD domain that have the same beginning name, and I know Miss Curtis. I want her to be able to share it with me. I also want Miss Walton to be able to share it with me. Now by sharing, they can actually go in and they can edit it. And so I'm going to click on Save and Share, and we can collaborate together. And an email is going to notify them. I'm the owner, but they can share it with me, and they can do any editing that they want. I can add more people as I want to. I want to go back and I want to start building my website. So this is my edit page. You can see that the toolbar is similar to Microsoft Office. I can insert an image. I can go to table of contents. I will have some other little videos that will show you how to do those. This helps me format. I can put in a table to organize, and I can change the layout. Once I've done working, I want to save it. I can do a few more things. I can come back and I can edit my site layout and how it looks. I can manage my site. I can print. I can have a revision history. That's going to let me know who's worked in this and for when they worked in it. Okay. I want to come to video directions. I want to come down to manage site, and this is where if I decide not to use it, I can delete it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and save this now and come back later and show you how to insert some different things.